What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Alexa, pause. Oh, okay, sweet, awesome. Okay, so I have masked this car like 5 or 6 times because I keep on taking off the mask because I keep on finding holes and like little pinholes that I need to fix, and it is the most annoying thing. If you can see, those are all the amount of pinholes that I had to fix off camera. Oh, it was insane. All those dots, all those red dots, all like a lot of pinholes, a lot of little bumps, a lot of bruises. Just look at the wing. Like there's still some there's still some, but honestly I don't even care. I just want this car painted once and for all. I think I've gotten everything masked. The parts that I painted the other colors, I masked them, and so hopefully the paint gets all up in there. So I need to like recheck, probably double check / triple check everything and make sure everything is good before I even put the first can of spray paint, just to check, because it's better to do it now than to have to respray later. Oh, yep, I've masked up a bunch more stuff. It's not gonna be perfect again, but it's gonna be better than, I don't even know where I was going. But yeah, I need to, oh shoot, that's exposed, so I need to tape that off. But yeah, just things like that, little things that can make a mess if you let them. So I also need to check that bad boy and make sure there's no random holes that could cause any leaks anywhere. This might not be perfect. This is the first time I've done it. This might not be perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna start. I taped the wipers to make sure there's no, I spray painted them black, then taped them to make sure nothing, I mean, yeah. Let's just do this. Oh my God, this is gonna be terrifying. I really hope this thing starts after this. Oh my God. So far, oh my God, this has been so difficult. Whew. Trying to curve this tape has been so hard. I think I'm probably using the wrong tape or something, but I don't know. But I had to pretty much buy this tape, and it's not bad for curving, but you pretty much have to heat it up with that golden heat gun over there. And pretty much that's when it curves, and it's so meticulous, and you have to like, that's why I did all these markings too, because yeah, I just had to get the measurements correct. So I'll do this side first and then measure this side and then kind of like do it so it kind of like is proportional with that side, and I think it looks good. It looks good. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, oh my God. Okay, one more and hopefully I should be good. Whew. I've done the first 2 parts and now I'm doing the 3rd one. So the only thing about this is that you have to mask, unmask, remask, unmask again, remask like 2 or 3 times. Actually like more. So I unmasked and then I'm remasking so I can make the 3rd curve thingy. Yep. Let's continue. This sucks. And ta-da! The lines actually did not come out too bad. They look, yeah, they're not perfect, and I left the space for the logo there. They're not perfect, but, and there's like some imperfections in the paint because it's my fault. Yeah, there were just some things I'll explain to you guys later. But like if you see that guy right there, it's very visible, but it's fine. Most of it though, look at that curve though. Excited. Okay, let us continue unmasking and masking and wrapping, and I'm getting tired of this.
Ain't no love, finding real love.
What have I done? Oh my god. It is so blue. I mean, it's a bit too blue if I should say so myself. Oh my god. It caught my eyes are just burning because of how blue it is. But yeah. Ta-da. It's not even showing up on camera how blue this thing is, but it is like so blue. So in case you guys want to know, I use this color called where is it gloss seaside. Boom. So that's the main color, and I'm so excited when I like reveal the rest of the stuff, like the rest. Hopefully it works, and I'm going to show you guys the color that I saw on the Porsche that made me think it will be good for the Datsun. Hopefully that decision was right. It is so blue. Oh my god, what have I done? It's so blue. Boom. That is the color. So this color is if I look at it, that is a little bit lighter. This is deeper. So if you look at it from on the phone, yeah, so you'll see. Boom. I think that's a Porsche 935 or 935Z or something. But yeah, so that is my inspiration for this craziness. It is so blue. What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having a golden golden day. I just wanted to, I usually don't say this, or I usually don't bring it up, and I always forget, but it's gonna help the video, it's gonna help the channel. If you guys are watching this video, please could you just give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because so much more amazing things are coming, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the final product. Okay, back to the regular scheduled show of future me, or actually past me. So bye-bye. What's up, buttercup? You guys are having an amazingly golden day. Alexa, pause. Sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have just literally finished painting the Datsun. I just unwrapped it. Alexa, pause. Hold on. Alexa, pause. Thank you. So, ta-da! This is what the Datsun looks like as it's pretty much. Had a good Tuesday. Yes, thank you. I have, Alexa. Sweet. So this is what it looks like with pretty much all the wrap undone. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Later I'll do like a little cinematic goodness, but it's not perfect yet, even though it's completely done. But it's not like super perfect yet. There's like a lot of imperfections. There's a little bit of overspray, some random places, and so I'm gonna have to like polish everything down and kind of like wet sand and some of the body, because it was painted with a Rustoleum slash spray paint out of a can. It's kind of rough. You can even kind of hear it. So I need to literally sand it down and sand off. If you look close, there's also like orange peel. So I had to sand out all of that. And yeah, but whew, so yeah. But one thing I also need to do is that I need to also paint the trim, literally all the trim of the car, which is just crazy. But yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, there's so much trim, like literally look at all the trim, so much trim all from all over the car. So I'm gonna sand everything down. I'm gonna spray paint them black because I want to black out everything, all the trim. So yeah, let's start sanding. first time the Datsun is pretty much almost done. I didn't show you guys a lot of the stuff because like a lot of stuff I did because it was just boring, a lot of painting. But oh my god, oh from the front, dude, oh it looks so good. Oh my god, dude, what the heck have I done, or have we done?
You. What have you done? I've had about 2% a part of this.
Oh my gosh, it looks sick. Again, there's a lot of imperfections, but I'll fix it later. That's literally the term I'm using for this car now. I'll fix it later. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys again. Let me just turn around. Oh, that looks so sick. Okay, I'm a little bit too excited, but yeah.
Looks good.
Okay.